love the new blonde bit.
It's all right, isn't it? It's good in its time,
Whose
isn't it?
decision was that?
Olivia's, wasn't it?
Was it really?
No, I wanted like a bit of both. Like, I wanted to do it. I was gonna go like full. I was gonna get my hair done silver, like proper, go for it. Bring my blue eyes out, but I didn't have the. So I just went for a few little streaks. We'll build it up. Do you know what I mean?
Can I be honest with you?
Yeah.
Got one word.
Go on.
Jedward.
It's just got a bit of lift to it. It just shows up there, like, ain't that bad.
No, it's amazing.
Not that bad,
So
it's not
missed
that high.
You've got the biggest selling debut song of the year.
We have indeed. A little bit.
I mean, you're a pop star.
A little bit live though. Do you know what I mean? I'm just a rapper now, so just a rapper. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's been good, man. Like, #1 on iTunes in 2 hours, and then held it there for like 3 days. Yeah, it's good. Madness.
You are loving life, aren't you?
I am enjoying aspects of it. Yeah, it's all right.
Let's not talk about those aspects. But you are rising above it, and I love it.
Thank you.
I've spoken to your boy Mark, I've spoken to your boy Kim today.
Yeah.
They are so lovely about you.
Oh,
How
bless
does it feel to not only have a beautiful girlfriend, but know BFFs?
But no, BFF. Oh yeah, like the lads, like Love Island lads, are unreal. Every single one of them. So, it's good to have that support. Like they know me better than anyone.
Yeah.
So they know they'll always be able to like support me and back me and stuff. And then having like Olivia's amazing. So.
What have you learned since coming out of the villa?
Bite your tongue a bit, but I'm still learning, so I haven't learned it yet, but I'm trying to learn.
Okay.
I'm just very hot-headed, aren't I? And yeah, I like, I stick up for myself, I have no issues with that, but I just feel like one thing that you need to learn in this industry, possibly just to bite your tongue a little bit at certain times, but
Okay.
I'm learning, I'm still young.
I like the way that you spoke
Still a
about
pup.
your anxiety issues as well.
Yeah.
It's helped a lot of men out, a lot of women
Yeah,
out.
no, I think it's been really good.
Was it a big thing for you to do that?
Yeah, it
Crazy
was
thing?
big. Like when we did the reveal, the day of Wet Mental Health Day, obviously I struggled up on stage. I started getting emotional, but that was like the toughest bit, is trying to talk to it, because you start thinking about when you're in that place and when things were really tough. That's what literally went on my mind. So, that was tough.
Who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
I'm really sorry, we're very drunk, but we don't give a
Hey, girl! No, she ain't hear me. She ain't hear me.
Can you